Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop your Google account from being inactive. Google has a policy of deleting inactive accounts after 2 years of inactivity. This means that if you don't sign into your account for 2 years, all of your data will be deleted. So if you have any important data in your Google account, you need to make sure that you keep it active. How to keep your Google account active? There are a few things you can do to keep your Google account active. Sign into your account at least once every 2 years. Use your Google account to sign into other services. Use Google products, such as Gmail, Google Drive, and YouTube. Set up a Google Inactive Account Manager. Google Inactive Account Manager is a feature that allows you to designate a trusted contact who will be notified if your account becomes inactive. You can also choose to have your data deleted or shared with your trusted contact if your account becomes inactive. To set up Google Inactive Account Manager, follow these steps. Go to the Google Inactive Account Manager page. Sign into your Google account. Follow the instructions on the page to set up your account manager. By following the tips in this video, you can keep your Google account active and prevent your data from being deleted. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.